Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to convert lowercase letters to uppercase in Excel. Here, I have a column of weekdays, some written in lowercase and others in mixed case. Let's convert all of them to uppercase. In the first cell of the uppercase column, type equals upper. Then select the cell you want to convert. I'll select Monday and press enter. Excel instantly changes it to uppercase. Now to apply this to the rest of the cells, click and drag the small plus sign, the fill handle, from the bottom right corner of the cell. All the days are now converted to uppercase automatically. But notice, if you double-click any of these cells, you'll still see the function. What if you just want plain text instead? Easy. Select all the uppercase cells, copy them, then go to the Home tab, Paste drop-down, choose Paste Values. Now when you double-click, you'll see only the letters, no formula. And that's how you quickly convert lowercase to uppercase in Excel.